Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your boy Taylor Grant here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today's comes to us from Ben of Denver. We had a claim and we were not being treated fairly, thus gave up. Every point raised, they said the policy did not cover. Weird insurance company saying the policy doesn't cover it. Guess what? If the policy does cover it, and it's fairly well outlined, and they say it doesn't cover it, it is what's called a misrepresentation of the policy, which is a violation of the Unfair Claim Settlement Practices Act. Insurance company, be careful what you say, especially to us, because we know how you like to screw the insured. All right, then we were told to submit a second claim. Why would you tell the insured to make another claim? I don't know. For an additional deductible, we requested another adjuster and we were told that nobody was an acceptable adjuster in the area. So this is the deal. Insurance companies love to play these games. I'm working on a claim right now where we had gone through the whole process. Many things were approved. A new adjuster is randomly assigned. Weird. That couldn't be a delay tactic, could it, insurance company? You guys don't do that often, do you? Yeah, you do, and we know the game. So they're now saying, oh, well, we're not going to cover the starter strip because it's not a code upgrade and blah, blah, blah. Well, it is a requirement of the manufacturer. And if you are suggesting a method of repair that violates what is required, then that is a misrepresentation of the facts, which is also a violation of the Unfair Claim Settlement Practices Act. Who knew? They did. The insurance company knew because they have attorneys sitting there on staff, their in-house counsel that they pay hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars a year to make sure that they cover their ass and make sure that what they're doing is not going to be misconstrued. But guess what? Adjusters have their own minds and thoughts and mouths, and they say things that might not be what should be said, which is then ultimately detrimental to their side of the claim, but good for us because it allows us to protect you, the insured. So if you're a property owner, residential, commercial, municipality, school district, okay, and you have an insurance claim that is not being paid fairly, you need to contact us today. The sooner you contact us, the better. Let me tell you why. Because there are certain requirements in your policy and within state law that dictates how the claim has to be treated for you, the insured. If you surpass any of those deadlines, then you might not get the same treatment based on the policy, which is a contract between you and the insurance company. Okay, so contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.